And the prophecy read that one day, like the phoenix arose from the ashes, that a boy would be born unto a family in the slums. This boy would go on to use the knowledge he gained while fighting for survival in his streets to become a great leader. And in time, that boy would grow to become king!
All hail King Brady!
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 Nah, I'm blessed shouting. Nah, I'm stupid holding. Nah, I'm ripping shouting. Bitch, you ain't know. Yeah, I Gucci partner. Nah, I Louis gang. Don't do it partner.
Long live the king.